You might have come across the topics of AI and ChatGPT quite a lot recently. In this video we're going to be going over the topics in depth and getting a grasp of how it could be an absolute game changer in the AI industry. Artificial intelligence has been making significant strides in recent years, and OpenAI's ChatGPT is a prime example of how AI is being used to enhance human-computer interaction. OpenAI is one of the leading artificial intelligence research laboratories that use deep learning algorithms and vast amounts of data in their software to generate human-like responses to text inputs. The history of AI dates back to the 1950s, when computer scientists first began exploring the concept of machine learning. Over the years, AI has made significant progress, with the development of increasingly sophisticated algorithms and the availability of large amounts of training data. However, it was not until the recent advancements in deep learning and natural language processing (NLP) that AI has truly begun to resemble human intelligence. ChatGPT is a language model that has been developed using the transformer architecture, which was introduced in the paper Attention is All You Need by Vaswani et al. This architecture is based on the idea of self-attention, which allows the model to selectively attend to different parts of the input sequence when making predictions. This makes it possible for ChatGPT to generate coherent and relevant responses to natural language inputs, even when the input is incomplete or ambiguous. In addition to its ability to generate human-like responses, ChatGPT also has the ability to learn from its interactions. As users interact with the model, it can use this data to further refine its understanding of natural language and to improve the quality of its responses. This makes it possible for ChatGPT to adapt to the specific needs and preferences of its users, leading to a more personalized experience. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like responses to a wide range of inputs. This is achieved by training the model on a large corpus of text data, which includes everything from books and articles to social media posts and online forums. As a result, ChatGPT has a vast knowledge base that it can draw upon to generate responses to a wide range of topics and questions. Here are some benefits to ChatGPT. 1. Customer service. ChatGPT can be used to provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries, helping companies to improve their customer support experience. 2. Chatbots. ChatGPT can be integrated into chatbots, allowing businesses to automate their customer service and improve their efficiency. 3. Personal assistants. ChatGPT can be used to create personal assistants that can help users manage their daily tasks and answer questions. 4. Creative writing. ChatGPT can be used as a tool for writers, helping them generate ideas and flesh out characters and storylines. 5. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another, making it easier for people to communicate with others who speak different languages. 6. Information retrieval. ChatGPT can be used to retrieve information from large datasets, making it easier for users to find what they're looking for. While ChatGPT is an impressive example of AI technology, it is important to keep in mind its limitations. Unlike humans, AI models like ChatGPT do not have consciousness, emotions, or the ability to experience the world in the same way that humans do. As a result, AI models like ChatGPT are limited by the data that they have been trained on and the algorithms that they have been developed with. Despite these limitations, the potential applications of AI like ChatGPT are vast and far-reaching. In the customer service industry, AI models like ChatGPT can be used to provide 24/7 support to customers, answering questions and resolving issues in real time. In the education sector, AI models can be used to provide personalized learning experiences to students, adapting to their individual needs and preferences. In the medical field, AI can be used to analyze vast amounts of patient data to identify patterns and make more accurate diagnoses. Another exciting potential application of AI is in the development of conversational agents. Conversational agents are software programs that are designed to simulate human-like conversation, allowing users to interact with technology in a more natural and intuitive way. With the ability to generate human-like responses and to learn from user interactions, AI models like ChatGPT have the potential to transform the way we interact with technology. Its adaptability and its transparency make it a valuable tool for all kinds of businesses. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to comment down below, hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content.